Asus ROG Strix SCAR 15 Review 2020 G532LWS model Core i9 is mostly a hardware update of the 2019 model with a few extra tweaks, a slightly cleaner interior and exterior design as well as improved control over the RGB elements. Performance-wise, this remains a beast and one of the most powerful 15-inch notebooks out there. Screen 2020 ROG SCAR 15 gets the 300Hz IPS matte optronics panel that's pretty much the go-to in this class right now, also included on the Asus Zephyrus S15 and most other premium gaming notebooks of this generation. Keyboard and trackpad. Asus ROG SCAR 15 gets pretty much the same keyboard that Asus includes in their ROG Zephyrus S15 Ultra Portable, with a standard chiclet layout, small arrows keys, a spaced-out column of function keys at the right, and an extra set of media keys at the top left. Hardware and performance. Our test model is a spec configuration of the Asus ROG Strix SCAR 15, in the G532LWS configuration with an Intel Core i9-10980HK processor. 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. 2 TB of storage in RAID 0 and dual graphics. The NVIDIA RTX 2070 Super DGPU and the Intel UHD within the Intel platform and i7-10875H processor is also available as a more affordable option for this laptop.